Welcome to GS2 WebSauce Form by GSheetPress. Conditional Logic lets a questions answer control whether other fields appear. Here's how to set it up. Open your Forms Sheet tab. Click Extensions, then GSheetPress, then Form, then Conditional Logic. A sidebar will open. Find the field you want to use as the trigger and click Add Rule. Choose the value that should trigger the rule. If the field has preset options, you'll see a dropdown showing those exact choices. Check which field should be hidden and which should be shown when that value is chosen. Click Save Rule. A plain English summary will appear, confirming what you just set up. Run Publish Form again so the live form picks up the change. Here's a quick tip. You can set up rules before publishing for the first time. Just make sure to publish afterwards so the changes go live.